Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be installing new trunk supports, also known as the trunk struts. And so mine have leaked over time, and this is pretty common. They'll just give out, and you can see how bad this is. My trunk's fallen on me a few times as I've been working on my Mach 1000 audio system. And so all you'll really need is a flathead screwdriver for this. It's pretty simple and straightforward. So what we're going to do is come in here from the side, and we're just going to put it right in the little notch that you see here, and we're going to pry this away from it, and it will pop back into place, so you got to be careful. But we're going to pry that open and just pull it away, and then we're going to come down here on the inside and do the same thing. So just pry on it until that little clip pulls upward, and then you can just take the gas strut and pop it off of the little ball that it's on. Now the new strut should have grease down in here already, as this one does. If not, make sure you put a dab in there, because this is a metal on metal thing. Just line it up and just pop it right on. And as you bring it up here, you can twist the whole thing until it is lined up again, and then just pop it right back on. So that's how easy it is to replace these. It does help to have someone else holding the trunk, because the trunk is pretty heavy. So we'll just show it to you here again real quick. Just get the screwdriver under that little notch there and just pry it away. And then you're able just to pop this right off. And I kind of lost the footage on the bottom one. Sorry about that, but you saw it earlier. So just line it up, pop it back into place. Then bring the strut up and twist it. And then just pop it right back on. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. This makes it so much better when I'm putting the trunk down and up, just to have it lift on its own. The trunk can be pretty heavy. And so anyway, check the video description. I'll put some links where you can pick these up from my Amazon affiliate page. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.